Hey, how's everybody doing? My name is Louis with the Money Machine Lifestyle. Make sure you guys like, subscribe my video. All right. Leave a comment below. All right. Just say hi or anything, guys. We're going to talk about a couple programs I'm in, a couple programs I'm generating income, and I do it all with postcards, guys. Postcards, guys. All right. We're going to talk about Prosperity People System, guys. This is a high ticket program. It's generating income for me. Okay, guys. It's simple. All right, just hop into the website, look around, see what they offer. Okay, they got 5 levels. Okay, 500, 1,500, 3,000, and 5, 7,005, 11,000. Guys, it's a high ticket program. Guys, they got in the back office, they got marketing programs. Marketing digital programs, guys. Okay, simple, man. High ticket is a high ticket program, guys. Anybody could generate income, guys. I'm telling you, it's working. Even a baby could do it, guys. All right. You imagine sending out these postcards and one person connects with you, all right, and joins one level. Let's say they joined the 500 level. You made $500, okay? You don't have to give it up to your upline. You don't. It's yours, okay? You imagine getting 10 of those, guys. That's $5,000. You imagine getting 10 people a month. That's $5,000 at the 500 level, guys. Is incredible, guys. All right. Instant Postcard Wealth. It's another program I'm with, guys. I'm generating $98 a month per person, guys. All by postcards. Okay, all by doing postcards. It's simple. You put the leads, you put the stamps, and you send it out, guys. All right. I'm telling you, this system is bananas. Okay, and I have the Millionaire Mailer, which is a flyer program, which is doing well, and I have another program coming up, which is a flyer program. Guys, stay tuned. Okay, I joined with somebody, my mentor. He's hooking me up, guys. This is gonna be incredible. Something big is coming. Okay, a lot of people that doesn't know how to do online marketing get to do it offline, guys. Right now is the best time to join something. All right, don't waste time, guys. Look at what's going with the economy. It's not going back to the V shape, man. It's gonna make an L shape, man. A lot of people are saying it, you know. All right, guys, get in where you fit in. That's what my mentor says. Get in where you fit in, guys. You know what I'm saying? I have something for everybody here. All right, and all I do, like I said, all I do is postcards. Postcards. You know, I send out 1,000 postcards today for the Instant Postcard Wealth. Okay, I had to go and get some more stamps for my program, other program, which I'm starting to do now before tomorrow. Okay, guys, if you guys join me, okay, I'm gonna hook you up, guys. I have a training website. It's gonna teach you how to do the same thing I'm doing. All right, once you join, I'm gonna give you a password. You're gonna put it here. You're gonna press go, and it's gonna prompt you to the training website, guys. Okay, it's simple. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do everything I'm doing. Okay, how do I market on Facebook? How do I market on YouTube? Okay, how do I market on TikTok? Guys, there's a lot of stuff there. Where to get your leads? What to do next? Okay, when nobody's helping you guys out, I'm trying to help you guys out. Okay, and every day I'm trying to update it. Okay, if I find something that's gonna help you guys out, I'm gonna update it at the website, guys, and you can contact me from there. Whoever joins you, you can pass this along to them. Okay. It's password protected for a reason, all right? Because I don't want nobody knowing about this, only for the people that joins me, all right? I'm doing this for you guys, to teach you guys to do the same thing, to motivate you guys, so you guys could generate income, guys. Like I said, it's simple, a simple postcard, guys, okay? These postcards, 1,000 postcards just like this, guys, I think it's like $35, okay? Stamps, 100 of them, it's $35. And you send them out, guys. It's simple. Okay, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment below. Okay, I'm here to help you guys out, man. Get in contact with me. All right, I'm gonna leave the information below this video. Okay, make sure you guys like and subscribe, guys. All right, let's go together. Let's make that money. All right, right now, like I said, right now is the best time to do something, man. Try to generate income. Start from the bottom, work your way up. Okay, it's not gonna happen from one day to the next. You gotta put in the work. You know what I'm saying? You gotta stay consistent. I'm telling you guys, it works. As long as you put in the work, it works. Okay? You cannot just send these postcards and sit a whole month not doing nothing else, because you're not going to do nothing. You have to stay consistent. If you send out 200 this week, 200 next week, 200 the following week, you'll see it's gonna add up, guys. All right, start from the bottom, work your way up. Anybody that's making money right now, okay, started from the bottom. They put in the work. Okay, they started from the bottom, they put in the work, and look where they at now. Okay, that's what you got to do, and that's what I'm trying to teach you guys to do. All right, like I said, make sure you guys like, subscribe, guys. You guys be safe out there. Okay, wash your hands, be careful out there. All right, you guys have a good night. Bye.